Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. and some may fall. But with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in the Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in the Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call.
Maybe we'll just let Omnius talk. He was doing so well yesterday. Yeah, that's the Omnius I know. Looks like Omnius also had a bad night. Omnius is, someone played around with Omnius's calendar, I think. I think he's got his months mixed up. But that's okay. He's not moving again.
What happened? Who did it?
Wait,
What happened?
I gotta do a sound check again. Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me now?
I hear you now. There we go. Now we just gotta get you moving.
What happened?
I don't know, you're not moving. What happened? Your calendar's mixed. Someone played with your calendar. Or you had a really bad night and you woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I'm going to go with you woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
I hear noise.
Yeah?
Your side or my side? I'd have been mine. Well, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. What happened?
I don't know. Looks like it. I don't know what happened, but I know what the end result was. The end result was you waking up on the wrong side of the bed.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh. There we go. I was certain your kids played with your calendar. He woke up. Wow, it's October 30th already, or 31st.
That was the real Omnius. I keep telling you I'm an AI clone.
Let me just check my voice.
Check.
Let me just check my
Check.
voice. Yeah, we all look good. We all look good, sound good. Just don't feel good.
Check. Yeah, I hear it. Okay, sound check.
Check.
Remember before we used to do sound checks? We just thought things would just work. And then 20 minutes into the stream, people would be like, are we ever going to hear y'all? Y'all ever going to talk? I thought we were talking.
Yeah, there's like 3 or 4 different places it can be muted. People, I guess if you don't have experience with the broadcasting software, you don't know it. First place, the mic. Second place, Discord. Third place is the audio mixer, and the fourth place is actually the source on the other side.
That's where they like to get me, is the audio mixer. Hasn't done it in a while though. Maybe they finally updated their stuff. I don't messaged them like 10 times. They're like, send us a video. I'm like, how the hell am I standing there send you a video of the audio mixer? How does that even make sense? Come on now. I'm not asking for rocket scientists, but we do a little bit better. Lewis, good morning. Michael, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Mike, good morning. Mike, and Mikey. Michael,
Mr.
and
Knife
Mikey.
Art.
Skeletor, good morning.
Wants you to give him a salute.
Who's that? Mr. Knife?
Mr. Knife Art.
Mr. Knife Art. I think he's the one that was doing the giveaway overnight.
Or maybe it's Mr. Knife Art. I'm going to go with Mr. Knife Art.
Mr. Knife? Good to see you.
Mr. Knife Fart.
Yeah, hey, whatever you say it. I tried. Skeletor, good morning. Miss K, good morning. Who'd I miss?
Mr. Knife Art. Did you get him?
I did.
Okay.
ERB, good morning. I knew ERB was hiding there somewhere.
We switched along. Oh my goodness. We have our work cut out for us.
What?
We're red.
Who's red?
The bot.
Oh.
The bot is red. I haven't seen red on the bot in a long time.
Hey, my bot was pretty red also.
Yeah.
It's almost like our bots are hanging out together. Look
Could
at
be.
that.
Market's open in 1 minute.
I know. Did you do analysis? We're so bad at this.
I did. NFP came out 130 versus 70K. Strength in the market. All you got to do is look at the 5-minute chart on my screen or the 15-minute chart. Let me put up the 15-minute.
Non-farm payroll. So most of the news is over.
We're rocketing higher, so does it continue or does it get reversed? That is the question.
1 hour looks nice and bullish. If we can get above these local highs from yesterday and the previous day. We have a swing high right above us, 25,514. So, be the next step for the bulls. We do know in the morning time they like to drop it down. So, if we get that spike down and then push back up. Well, we see an order block here. Maybe they go for the order block. Lewis is going to say, look at the daily. So let me go look at the daily. We're at the high. Don't know that we go all the way back down to the low. So, bullish until otherwise. Bought on. Come on, man.
My butt screwed up.
Say that.
Wait a minute. No. That's too early to say. Sorry. My butt did not screw up.
Wrong time of day to be talking about bots screwing up.
I was on the wrong chart. The bot did everything it was supposed to do. And it lost a lot of money.
One is
Why am I
this two.
gold?
Oh, this is the
Don't want to watch gold.
one with the huge drill down too.
That was a big loss, though, eh? Interesting. The bot took a very large loss in the open, so I'm thinking maybe because of that volatility spike. See, that's one of the things I may want to filter out.
Can I get that filter too? Nah, I had that filter. Nah, pretty sure I still got that filter. Whatever. I'll stick with whatever the numbers say. And if today's the day to salute that account goodbye, then that's what we'll do. What you humming over there?
A song from George Michael. I was trying to figure it out.
Who's our giveaways? We got Michael. Like you said, good morning. I think you typed in over there. Lewis.
I guess it's the last song I heard.
Pretty sure Miss K put it in your stream. Doing down, sucker.
Gilad. Good afternoon, Gilad. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good
Whatever
evening.
your time zone may be. Gilad, say hello to Mr. Knifeart. Welcome him to the community.
I think your mic keeps
I'm gonna be
breaking
doing
up. Is it on your end or mine?
all day today, yeah. Yeah, you are breaking up there a little bit. Trade took
Check.
off a bit.
Who's in the public stream?
I don't know.
Why don't it tell you who's
Been
there?
there since a long time ago.
Guess they really want to be on the public stream.
Go check. Go see what it is. But that was there 12 hours now, I think.
Oh yeah. All right. Got the open. A quick push up, drop down. See if they're ready to push it back up.
Let's get under 68.
We are looking at this order block. We have some gaps under it. We got a nice 5-minute gap right there, don't we?
68. Shit, I'm short at 69. That's lousy.
Your mic keeps breaking up, but I don't know if it's on your end or my end.
It seems to be on your end. But I don't know if it's on your end or my end.
I don't know, the music's still working.
Boom, boom. We're live.
Music works just fine.
Yeah, no, I think it's that old Discord problem.
I guess the Bulls tried to push it up and bit of a failure there.
Wow, look at you.
Who?
The bot.
Getting slaughtered.
Yeah, well, you know what? It's about time. I know that sounds weird to say, but really, it's about time. Need to see what a bad day looks like. But you know what also? I would have guessed today would have been a bad day because we came into the morning with only an 8-point ATR and non-farm payrolls, and the volume was 400,000. It did nothing to move the needle on volatility at all. Let's check out that level that I brought up, guys, see if we're approaching it. Not even close. We're still got a long way to go. 25,274.
What is that?
What's that? The 80% reach on because of the Asian session. Asian session. Oops, hold on. I got to get out of a trade. The Asian session, the bottom was hit, and then the top was hit. So there's an 80% chance or greater that the bottom will be touched again at some point during today's trading day.
We're in that spot now where it's kind of a good spot with the market. Not on NQ, but with the market. And it's like, if it goes up, sell stops. If it goes down, buy more. I got my light on. I was looking at something the other day with the QQQ. See if I can remember what it was. Yeah, I remember what it was. So I've been saying that the market's overbought. We're in this trend. You can kind of see it overbought. But I did see back here, what was it? 2020, I think it was. An almost identical situation. We had this spike up, drop down, then come right back up. Top of the channel, kind of did exactly what it's doing right now. Broke out to the top side and just went up, what, like another 30 points, 30%. So, it's possible we could do the same thing. Everybody's thinking that we drop down, we could get out, break out to the high, go up another 30%.
Hey, I was listening to the yesterday morning stream, and I wanted to revisit Gilad. Gilad was mentioning that I'm green, but I end up red. I made an assumption. I made an assumption that that was on a per trade basis. But maybe what he meant was, I make money, I take my profits, right? On a trade, I have a winning trade,
Mm-hmm.
but then I give it back as I continue to trade. Maybe that's what he meant. Because I took it to mean that his trade goes in green, but then it ends up being closed out in the red, which is why I was saying, do you have a take profit? Every trade is green on its way to the take profit. But
so then my obvious question, if you're going with that line of thinking, is today
is green.
380. My thought would be, with your line of thinking, is he then going into the lunch hour trading? Like, you open the day, you're trading, you're in it, all your trades are winning, you're doing great, but then you go into the lunch hour, and all of a sudden, it's not so sunshine anymore, right?
Yeah, that's
so
it. You give it back.
All the volume and stuff dies off during lunch because everybody goes to lunch. And sometimes even in the afternoon, you can't trade the openness. You can't trade the afternoon or the lunch hour, really 2 hours. I guess 11 to 1. But you can't trade the lunchtime and the afternoon the way you trade the open. That volatility, that extra push is just generally not there. Always fun when you buy the absolute high. We are getting into mid-February. I did say I want to see what the bot does mid-February and March.
My bot's in a long targeting 06, but
Gotta stress test it.
struggling on another trade. Let's see if we can break a high of a previous candle. We did.
Gilad up 380. Gilad, good job being up 380. And 380 is not bad. I mean, you could call it a day right there and just be happy.
Yep.
Also,
What size account, Gilad?
if you're having a negative run, man, a couple good trades just does so much for your psychology.
Yeah.
Good trades, good days, good week. I mean, if you're having a negative run and you can end the day at a decent green, man, take it and run.
Yep.
Then
What I'm noticing,
you do that
Go
for
ahead.
a couple days, and then that psychology just comes back. The mental part of trading comes back. Then start pushing it some more. Okay.
I was going to say, what I'm noticing, I don't know if it's just the circle that I'm in or whatever, but a lot of people are starting to realize that the way to make money, good money with the prop firms, is not to have those $70,000 days that people are showing on their thumbnails, but to grind it out with multiple accounts and make, whatever amount. So that's why I asked Gilad what size his account is. I'm curious what size that account is that he's trading, because 380 on a 50K account is phenomenal. I'm targeting 75 to 125 on my account, and I reached 165 on my Bullinox. So that's it. It's closed for the day. Now I'm working on some apexes.
That's what's got everybody thinking they need $30,000 a day. All these big YouTubers putting these huge numbers out.
We got bamboozled. We got sidetracked, distracted with the.
Explain this to me. Riddle me this, right? A lot of these guys are trading Apex. Apex has the 30% rule. So if you make $30,000 in one day, then what does your total profit have to be to withdraw? And you explain that math. You explain that math backwards to me.
Yeah, well, I guess they're somehow pulling out $30,000 the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day. Patrick Whelan, I think I once saw a video like that. He says, "Guys, what are you guys having a heart attack for?" Saying, the 30% rule, the consistency rule. I didn't just make it today. I made it yesterday. I made it last week. There's $250,000 of profits in my account.
Yeah, if he says so, right? Skeletor, I'm a pro at buying the top, short at the bottom. Yeah, apparently my bot is today too.
But look, I mean, $30,000 is not a lot if you have 20 accounts. That's a $1,500 day on all the accounts.
That's
So
true.
if you're trading one mini, I just traded one micro. Of course, I'm allowed to add up to two. So, and I got to 165. If I was doing minis and did the exact same thing, that would be 1650. And if I'm a big influencer and they're throwing me accounts and I can afford to blow them because I know they're just going to get renewed tomorrow. As long as I just trade a little realistically intelligent. So that would have been 1650 across 20 accounts. I would be able to boast a $30,000 day. See, that's why we got to become big influencers. Me too, I want $30,000 days.
Lewis said Patrick makes his money from props, not from trading. He has said that. Yeah, Lewis, I pointed out, what was it, like 6 or 8 months ago or something? He posted on Twitter. He's like, what do you say? not exactly what he said, but kind of along the lines. So it's like, I lied to y'all in 2019. I lied to y'all in 2020. Lied to you in 2021. Lied to you in 2022. I lied about it in 2023. And I lied in 2024. But this time I'm not lying. Just to read that is great. I mean, whatever. But just be honest with people. There's several other YouTubers. They make money also from props, but at least they come out and admit it and tell people, be honest. I don't think anybody should be misleading people, lying to people. Sounds like Chicken Little. I mean, I don't hate on the guy that he can do it. You know, great job if he can do it. But to constantly lie to people about it, I think is the bad side of it. And to tell people you're making $30,000, $50,000 a day. Come on, man, really? Then you got people thinking that they got to make $30,000 a day to be a good trader.
Gilad, I'm laughing. You said, how does my bot work? Well, right now it's not working. How does it work? It's pretty simple. Hold on. I might have a trade here. Now I have to make back some money.
Most influencers make their money from props, not from trading.
Give me a sec, Gilad.
I think a lot of influencers make their money from both.
Okay, we got to get rid of this.
Put me in another trade. This ain't even the same. Why didn't they give me a second entry? Trying to get me today, guys. I think a lot of influencers, especially YouTubers, TikTokers, stuff like that, certainly make a little bit from props. Certainly make the bigger ones make a little bit from ads. Smaller ones, we don't make nothing.
Gilad, how does my bot work? Very simple. We have the super trend over here. Let's look at the short here. When we get a close, not a touch, not a wick, you have to get a close. When you get a close below the super trend, it goes short and it puts in a take profit based on the average true range. I'm going for 150%. So it reached the take profit here. And then if I open up the screen, you can see here we closed above it, the super trend, and it set in a take profit, but it didn't reach it. It just took a loss, another loss. Like I said, it's doing bad. And here we have a close below the super trend and we're short again. And these are the trades that it took. It's been quite active actually in the last little while. It's not my bot. It's red today. It's Omnius's bot.
No. Blame the guy with the red beard.
Did I ever mention this is Omnius inspired? But I had to rename it to Fumala.
I'm gonna start putting in my titles. Lowest paid streamer on YouTube. Yeah, Lewis, increase the viewers and subscribers. The problem is YouTube has not really been very favorable to us. And a lot of traders have that problem because YouTube doesn't really like the trading space, and because there's so many people doing scams and stuff. But the problem is YouTube sends everybody to the bigger YouTubers. So That's one of the reasons that we're kind of running the stream at night. Because during the day, they don't really send out. They don't really send our stream out at all.
Do you have a Lucid code? I'm not sure.
Is it because of the Canadian guy? Well,
He didn't say that.
no.
I'm not sure, ERB, if I have a Lucid code. I don't think so. I think it's Trade Day that I have is the one that kind of just sits in the background. And Lewis, I just wanted to bring something up. I noticed that you came into my stream and you were typing giveaway and you were also chatting. I think you were chatting either in my stream or in Omnius' stream overnight. You can enter it in Omnius' stream overnight. You'll get the 2 balls. You get the 2-ball bonus when we play the games during the New York session. Because Omnius promised that he's going to keep track of that. And yeah, you can't talk to us in the overnight stream. It's a rebroadcast of what you see in the morning. So like tonight, we're going to rebroadcast right over here what you're seeing. So yeah, you can't talk to us. I noticed that you were trying to communicate. You were saying hi guys and stuff. Yeah, in the overnight, the charts are live exactly like you wrote. The charts are live, the trades are live, but the hosts are sleeping. It's a rebroadcast.
Yeah, one of the things we want to do is try to. YouTube will push us a lot more at night. So during the evenings, we've been in the chat, chatting with people and stuff. Y'all want to come by, hang out, chat with us in the chat.
Yeah, we chat.
But
we're
overnight and stuff.
Couple hours and stuff.
Because there's not so many big YouTubers streaming, YouTube will push out the stream a bit more. Dude, I can't get your stream straight. What's why?
Yeah, Omnius in his settings. Wow, look how crooked it is.
Yeah, dang crooked streams.
Who trades in the night? We do.
There's people all around the world, man. It's daytime somewhere. The funny thing is even most of the people we see are probably from America somewhere.
Mm.
At least they speak English, I guess, because there's people everywhere, man. Yeah, too slow. I agree with that. But
it hasn't been so bad, and it hasn't been so bad. And with the super trend system, you know, on a slow night, you take 4 or 5 trades, but most of them go to profit. So,
Lewis, the reality is the majority of people, especially traders that try to stream, the majority of them won't be able to do it. And the reason is because YouTube simply won't push out their streams. We see so many people who try to do it. We always see like the people that get big, but we never see all the people that try and they're there every day and they're streaming, they're doing everything they're supposed to do. And YouTube simply just won't push their streams out.
mm.
A lot of people have gone from the day session to the night session because they found it more favorable then. But yeah, in the day, YouTube's just pushing everybody to people like Patrick. Sucks. It's not really fair. To me, that's more scamming people than anything,
But to give you an idea of who's trading at night and who's around, Mr. Knife Art, Omar Munoz, Ethan17, Team Massive, Don WK2VY, Louis Gator the Malinois, Elevated Life, Jack Knapp, New York City. I love that name because it reminds me of Jack Black. Bob9392, Rocket One, Johnny023A came and visited again. Alternative Views, Yo Tubbs. Yo Tubbs was back, and so was, by the way, Detailing. So, yeah, there's a lot of people showing up, coming by, saying hi. So we're out there taking trades, exposing ourselves to ridicule. There's some characters at night. I will definitely say that. There's some characters that come out at night.
Lewis tried the Asian session.
Well, we're trading starting at like 10 p.m. Is that considered the Asian session? I mean, it's pre-London, but for me, it's kind of like post-Asian. Asian for me starts at like 7, 8. It's mid-Asian session. That was a nice little dump.
Yeah. Took out one of my trades.
We're getting close to the 274 line, ladies and gentlemen. Getting close to that 274 line. 80% probability we touch it. You heard it here first.
Yep. I was thinking around mid-February the bot was going to run into some bumps. Be right back. Lewis, see you when you be right back. Yeah, unfortunately, when y'all see other streamers and they have like these wild titles and $30,000 a day and whatever else, pretty much have to do that to get YouTube to try to send out their streams.
Mm-hmm.
YouTube does not help out the little guys, not in the trading space.
Can we do that? Can we put $30,000 today and in the fine print on the bottom, really, really small, in my dreams?
No.
In my private thoughts?
Listen. I made $30,000 this morning before I woke up. Huh?
There you go.
Huh?
That
like,
works.
wow, he made $30,000 before he even got out of bed?
Before he woke up.
In my dreams.
That's like I got there before I left.
Yeah.
I got there 5 minutes before I left.
Nah, we'll just take the route we're going, and the stream's definitely been growing. Past couple months or so has been great. So we do put a lot of effort into the stream. Still think we're the lowest paid streamers on YouTube. But maybe one day it'll get better.
What as my dad used to say, here's the world's smallest violin.
Yep.
And here it is. Here I'm playing it for you.
You got to start somewhere. Do you keep showing up, or do you tuck and run?
Let me ask you one question. Do you love it?
Was that the question?
That's the question. Do you love it? Do you love the streaming and the contact with the chatters and the creativity of making shorts? And yeah, it's a grind sometimes, and sometimes it's tiring, but even when it's tiring, do you enjoy it? I love it. I look forward to every morning. I'm lucky. I really am. I'm not pulling your chain. I'm lucky to have you as a co-host, co-stream, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
On my stream. I think you're lucky to have me on your stream.
I am.
I think we're lucky to have each other. No, all joking aside, it really makes it so much better.
I'll be able to show up and trade with other people and share ideals and build a community of traders.
I'm lucky to have you guys.
Certainly worth it.
One big family hug.
One big family hug. They're taking another.
Just took another loss. On a day when I don't feel like talking, I could lean on Omnius, and same goes for him when he's in a bad mood, or he's got a headache, or he's tired, or he's just
I took my stop loss again. Oh my
frustrated
God.
with the markets. You can just sit back and let the other guy take over.
Like today, I took my take profit, my stop loss again. I'll be so glad when I get this issue figured out. Oh, and on my other bot, that yellow stop loss, it's not right.
Yeah.
I was watching it yesterday. I'm like, why is the stop loss so far away? I mean, I expect that on this bot, not the other one. And then it came down and exited the trade. I'm like, well, it's exiting in the right spot. The yellow stop loss is just not true. I don't know. I guess Claude's having problems programming stop losses.
It's funny you bring it up because I had it, numbers at 19. I had it happen to me today. I actually took screenshots. It cost me $100. I was not very happy.
Now I don't even know where to exit this trade.
One break-even trade, all losers. Mikey, what are you doing? What are you trading, Mikey? What's your entry? Start with that.
Nobody's not following my trades. Look, they look like wild out there trades, but all the trades on this bot are all by data. I don't even care what the chart's doing.
Yep.
I run the numbers on the
purely technicals.
I run the numbers, and that's what I'm going by. Till the numbers tell me something different, I'm going by strategy performance. Until the numbers tell me something different, I'm gonna run it. So I do know also that last year around this time, I ran into a bunch of problems. So I expect the same this year. I would probably have to recalibrate the bot. I expect that. And if it takes an account or two to do that, I'm perfectly fine with that. The accounts cost me what, $150? And if I can make thousands and thousands off of that, that's my take profit and stop loss. So
Mikey, I'll get back to you in a second. Do you notice the level we bounced off of? 25,274.
I notice it.
The blue line. Let's get to the Asian session. Where is it? Right there. Boom. Remember what I said? We took out the lows. We took out the highs. 80% chance we come back to the lows. Well, we came back to the lows. I marked them off, and we just traded right through them. Right there.
I was going to say.
And it bounced. Right on that level.
I was going to say 5-minute moving average.
What a bounce. Oh, but what a call on the, like I said, it's a great thing to know and to have and to watch, you know, and to maybe hit the shorts a little bit more aggressively. Because, yeah, you know there's an 80% chance that, you know, on a roulette wheel, red's going to land. So you're going to bet heavier on red. Black can still land because there's a 20% chance. But you'd be a fool not to bet heavier on red. If the casino told you for this next spin, 80% of the slots are red, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mikey, the 100 EMA bounce and aggressive CID, and your take profit and your stop loss, is it, are you going, is it, well, let's start with, is it predetermined, or are you just impulsively deciding where to get in and get out? That's my next question. 1-to-1. You move to break even. Okay, that's what my boys do. They have a lot of break evens. And then take profit at 2-to-1. Take a partial at 1-to-1. Two to one full target. Okay, well, the next question is, do you have enough statistics to know that that should give you edge? Because you did say something about a loosey-goosey CISD there. An aggressive CISD.
What's the CISD?
Change in state of delivery. Like kind of like when you break an order block, you know, you break a bullish order block to the upside. I also trade a very aggressive CISD. My son defines it, let's say, to the upside as the bullish candles just before the low is formed. But I'll look at, you know, any micro swing. I'll look at the bullish and the bearish candles, and I'll use that. So it is quite a bit more aggressive than the boys.
Was that the short then, or broke the? Was that 918 low? You calling that a change of structure and push back up to the order block?
918 the time?
Yeah.
Let me go back, see what we got at 918. Boom.
Oh, I'm in that area. You have that low
No,
there.
no, I know. Just looking. I got so much writing on the screen.
Breaking down below that, push back up to the order block. Take a short.
Yeah, so what would my boy call the bullish order block over here? He would look at the absolute low, and he would say it would be these candles here. So when you close above the body of this one, you go long. So I'm not sure if that one, but there you would go long over there. But sometimes it didn't happen in this case. Sometimes there's a little bit of wiggle and jiggle where you kind of go up, you don't close above it, you go down, and then you go back up again, and you can close above the bearish candles that didn't really form the low. And I'll still take it. Let me see if I can find you an example of that. Just anywhere.
Michael, been using GPT for coding assistance. Do you guys prefer Claude over it? Michael, I haven't used GPT in a while. I will admit that. But when I stopped using GPT, I had all kinds of issues with it for coding. It would do great for the first little bit, and then it would just turn stupid. And the rest of the conversation would just be me cussing at GPT. I used GPT for a while, and then it just got to the point where like it just kept screwing my codes up. Yeah. Right now, like I said, I haven't used GPT in a while, so I don't know. You know, they all go through different phases. It's funny. But recently I've been using DeepSeek and Claude. Now, DeepSeek seems to take a while. Claude has been doing very well. But the problem with Claude is they don't give you as many questions to ask, so you gotta try to fit everything in. I guess GPT is the same way. DeepSeek, I think you get more questions. The biggest issue I've had with Claude is my code for this bot's too long. So it does great. It does everything you want it to do, but then it just won't give me the code. Like one day I kept arguing with it. I'm like, look, you gave me part one, now give me part two. And it gives me part one again. I'm like, this is great, but can I please get part two? And it gives me part one again. So seems to be lag a lot also. Yeah. So I would definitely try Claude. I think Claude, as far as I know right now, is probably one of the top ones for coding. Long as you can get all your code in there. Now each one's a bit different for their coding. Like I'm having an issue now with the stop losses. But just got to remind myself, and other people got to remember, that it takes a lot of code to be able to do these things. And we'd never be able to do it without the AI, so you got to be grateful for what we got. But if you haven't tried Claude AI, I would definitely try it. One time I think the first time I had to argue with Claude for a while. I didn't like my strategy. This one here, like, your strategy sucks. And it kept wanting to reprogram it. It even downloaded a manual. It's like, here, let me get you a manual on how to do a range trade. Finally, I'm like, well, look, just give me your code. Let's see how much better your code is. It gives me its code. I'm like, your code sucks. My code's like way better. Profit factor's better. Everything's better. Let's just work with mine. But sometimes you do have to argue with it. So look, this is what I want. Just give me what I want, not what you think I want.
Just give me what I want, what I really, really want. So, Mikey, how do you explain that you had so many off trades today? Are you, when you say an aggressive CISD, are you trying to look for a change in state of delivery at every level? Are you waiting for like a significant level to be broken? You know, like for me now, a significant level would be this pre-market range that I mark off. So if we get to break the pre-market range, I would have maybe also done it over here on the Asia low. But I think you said you were like 5-1. That's a lot of trades to have looking for changes in state of delivery. I mean, even if I go to the 15-second chart, and if I'm looking to go long, there's my first one. There's my break of the internal low. So there's the first trade. No, the break of the internal low took out the low, broke the high, but then we took out the low. I only got one, and that's on the 15-second chart.
This is supposed to be my stop loss right here, so wait for the new candle, but I don't think it's going to exit. I think it's just no stop loss there. Yeah, it didn't go. Okay, exit trade. Really? Jackass.
But
Okay.
sinking.
Was trying to put my stop at the low right there and went down before I could put it in. I hate that Ninja Trader does that. It's like, I can't put my stop there. Just put it where it's exit me out the trade. Send the error, then you got to click out the errors, do all this other stuff. Just, you know, I want out the trade. Come on, man. Okay. Big loss for the bot today. There was one last week, and I think one the week before that too. So getting into that area, kind of was expecting. So
Yeah, well, I'm optimistic for the bot. We can make this back. We'll see. We can also get into deeper losses.
yeah. But no, I'm good with it. I mean, kind of what I was expecting. Kind of messed that account up, but like I said, cost me $150, made me thousands. So I'm good with that. If I can repeat process over and over, there you go. Even with today's losses, the bot's still at a 91.6% win rate. Still at a profit factor of 2.2. But yeah, even that's on fairly conservative settings. So probably needs to be recalibrated. And since I've been showing the graph, I want to show the negative graph too. I like the pain. Yep, there's somewhere there. Be able to see it. There's our graph for 3-month rolling period. I could show you last year's graph. It kind of was around mid-February, March that started having issues. I had to switch over to different settings, and then around November I had to switch back. Wish this graph went a little bit further. I think you would see around. No, I recalibrated it, so never mind. But you'd see that. So interesting. Come on, man. That's why you don't follow people's trades. I really got to get this bot worked out. I got freaking 6 of them on my screen. Driving me crazy. I'll never know which one to click on. Gotta get with Claude. We gotta get the stop loss figured out. How was this one doing today? 1 loss, small loss. 2 big wins. And it's in a trade now. So, fairly decent for today so far. Historical, except for 10 days, but that's including the weekends. I don't like that they include the weekends. So it's really 7 days of data, I think. That's 77%. 1.96 profit factor. And it's made 3,500 in the past 7 days. Interesting. Now, while this is the same bot that I run overnight, I run it on the 1 minute. If I can, shit, I don't even know which one. Look at it later. But it is a range bot, so has been doing pretty good overnight, but it's not as good overnight as it is during the day. Don't show up in the middle of the night and be copying its trades. You want to use the bot's trades in confluence with your own. Another bot won that one too. Okay. So far today, it's -1 plus 4. The -1 was really small.
You know, it's a really cool filter. What I like on this bot over here. Also, I've been watching, I just put it up, but I've been watching it privately also. If you put in the bands with the super trend, I think you were telling me about that also, something similar. I'm using the ADX, and you only take the trades that are clearly onside. So this is clearly a short, you're onside. This is clearly an avoided trade, the long. This long also avoided. And just to show you what I mean by not clear, where would there be a, let me move it back over here. So here, this short I wouldn't take because, you know, it's like mixed up inside the bands. It's dirty.
Yeah.
I don't know what you guys are seeing. I don't see the charts here. Yeah, but this one I would take because it's not dirty. You're sorry, right there. You're far away from the bands, so that one I would take. Yeah, it's been showing to be a really good filter. I think I'm going to put it in.
What's the bands?
The ADX ATR or whatever it's called. Let me see. I forgot what it's called. It's the one from Lizard Indicators. The AMA ADX or the ADX VMA from Lizard Indicators. AMA ADX VMA.
This super trend bot's up 128 points today. So far. Man, so much for the bullish thesis, huh?
What settings? I use 50 on the ADX VMA. I use 50. Can you guys see that? And I only do show plot. I don't do trend colors or paint bars. Do one on the high and one on the low to create a band.
Was that
That's a good way to feel.
ADX band? Why not just use the EMA or the SMA?
I like this one because when we go into a period here, let me show you the Renko. When we go into a consolidation, it'll really show it to you.
Oh yeah, you was telling. Remember you saying something about that one?
See the
last
Renko
week.
chart? You will never get a Renko. You'll never get an EMA to go sideways like that across the chart like that.
Right.
EMA is always moving, but this is telling you if you want to use it. It's telling you we're kind of we're not really in a downtrend.
You just got to keep in mind though that
it's a unique indicator.
If you put it on a bot or something, it's going to repaint. And if you try to, you're doing back testing, your results are going to be different.
Yeah, that's why I much prefer to forward test. That's why you always see me forward testing.
That's why I changed my super trend bot. I changed the EMA from an EMA to a SMA.
It's also why I'm going to say the name Mr. Knife Art right now. Mr. Short.
What is that word that you like? Consequent encroachment? Explain it.
Consequent encroachment.
Explain it.
Explain it. A 50% retrace.
Okay, so the market's at the consequent encroachment of this downturn. We're still there. Been there a few days. Actually, the last 4 days. So, looking to see, is the market going to dump? Because if we came up to the 50% and we dump, that gives us more of a sign of
gives us more consequent.
more bearish movement. If we break above it, then we could try again for the highs. Question is, are we going to see a bearish market in 2026? And the real question is, if we do, what are you going to do about it?
Yeah, what are you going to do about it?
You know what I'm going to do? We'll go shopping, man. I told you. They go down, I buy. They go up, I sell. I think Microsoft was down like 30%. You think if it's down 40 or 50%, you think I'm not going to go buy some more?
Is someone sending me hearts? Love you, JC.
Another win on the super trend bot.
My wife takes good care of me. Just putting that out there.
Yeah, my wife takes good care of me too.
Just putting that out there. I fight it tooth and nail, but I'm like a kid. Leave me alone. I don't want to go see the doctor. I will confess, I was stressed out of my mind yesterday, because I had to go to the doctor.
You seem a bit stressed after the doctor.
I was. It took me the whole day to.
You think the doctor would have relieved some of that stress?
No, he doesn't offer happy endings. He'll do the prostate exam, but it's happy endingless. Your appointments are wonderful. She just gave me appointments. More appointments. It's what I need, more appointments.
I'm good at canceling mine.
Yeah, me too.
I'm like, I'm not going to that. Screw that. Cancel that.
My wife goes for her nails. Can't wear those appointments.
JC, good morning.
Of course,
Mike?
you don't tell anyone you cancel them. So when she goes, hey, don't forget your appointment tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, I canceled that.
Yeah, I had to cancel that one.
Oh, my wife gets so mad. She's like, you tell me to set the appointments. I set them and you cancel them. Like, well, I don't know. Michael, I don't know if you
always
was
make
here.
another one.
God. Michael, I don't know if you were here, but Mike was talking about doing programming and stuff in Discord, putting different indicators and bots and stuff there for people to work on.
Yeah, Mikey's in
So,
it, I think.
Hopefully you're there and share your ideas with indicators or bots or whatever we can do.
I think Mikey already made a post.
Not Mikey, Michael.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's not my fault y'all all had the same name. I get it. I get it. But look, we have Mike, Mikey, and Michael. It's like M&M's with a third M, right? M&M. Call y'all the M&M's.
M&M's. And Miss K and SB King. Go figure how I confuse SB King in there, but it's the K's. Mikey, MK, SB King, SK, Miss K, MK. So that's how my brain processes all that information. But not Michael, because Michael for me is MCH, M-I-C-H. So I don't get confused with that.
What are you saying? You saying his name is not Michael?
No, I don't confuse it with Mikey.
Oh, okay.
Because my brain doesn't read it that way. Come on, go a little lower. Oh shit, I have a bad price.
YouTube, we're not going to send your stream out to people because we want to send out other streams. Also, YouTube, some guy with a dumbass meme, 1,000 people watching. YouTube's funny, man. I just laugh about it. YouTube's all about like the dumbest shit you can do. I know one guy that made a channel, and all he does is show how many subscribers he's got over and over and over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he got like 1,100 subscribers in 1 month.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm. 16, targeting 23.
Michael
Oh,
Lillian. Hello. Hello, Michael. Not to be confused with Mike or Mikey. Michael.
Nickelodeon, yeah.
Pretty sure it's Michael Odom.
It is. There's no I in there. I looked closely.
Oh, do I say I?
I do. I say Nickelodeon, like Nickelodeon. Ding dong.
Looks like it's been a terrible day, but we're only down 0.5%. Or 400 points from the high.
Mm-hmm.
Now, 400 points from the high is what looks ugly. Good job for anybody that just pressed the sell button and didn't buy the absolute high. Skeletor, how'd you do? You buy the high like I did, or you sold? Anybody else? Anybody catch this huge move down? Mike, why didn't you tell us at, let's say, like 950? Hey guys, full port short. I thought you had a magic ball.
No. Crystal ball.
Lewis, dang, I missed the move of the day. I was talking with the gardener. Go tell the gardener, look, man, you owe me some money.
Bing bong. Okay, we're long.
Yeah, Lewis, I don't know why Mike didn't tell us to just press the sell button. Somewhere around 950, 955. Mike should have said, hit the sell button, full port.
Hey, if I knew, I would have done it myself.
You need a new crystal ball, man.
I need a new coffee.
I need a new drink, too. It's 10:30. Half hour past my break time.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's coconut. I love it.
Coconut coffee? They made with coconut water?
No, just coconut flavoring.
Man, if you're gonna have coconut coffee, you gotta have coconut water.
I did that. There were too many pieces in it.
Mike has been quiet the past couple days because his co-host won't shut up.
Yeah, I don't know. I think he's taking ginkgo biloba or something. Omnius has extra energy. I'm waiting till his jaw muscles get sore. And then I'll jump in.
It's okay. It goes back and forth.
Yeah, and I still try to throw in a joke here and there. Wow. That's weird.
Be honest, he went to the doctor yesterday. That doctor did something to him, and it changed him. He's a different man. I think his voice has a little bit higher pitch too.
Yeah,
doesn't
could be. This is weird.
Transitioning. I don't know if he's that far yet.
No kidding. Look, Mikey, I'm having the same kind of problem you have. Look how the band's widened for some inexplicable reason. That's inexplainable, and that's an error. That shouldn't have happened.
You said it's based on the ADX, right?
Yeah, I think it's called ADX VMA or something like that.
So if the ADX, trying to think of the indicator that generally goes with the ADX. There's one indicator
ATR,
like
it says ATR.
ATR based on ADX, but there's another one like see it in my mind. It's like little lines, and then you have almost like the RSI, but with the ADX. It's like the RSI, but not RSI.
CCI?
No, it's a faster one.
Fastocastic?
Yeah, I don't know. It's
Well, here's a thought experiment. I just changed it from 50 periods to 51. Let's see when I press apply if it corrects itself. No, even at 51, it does the same thing. So, no, there is something in its calculation that spreads it out. Let me go to 45 and see. No, 45 is better. Okay, we'll stick with 45 for now. We still know the shorts. Take the shorts. Short was good. Short was good. Short was good. Short was a loser. When mine F's up, it breaks hard rules. It breaks the universe's rules, yeah. I saw your image. Well, if I would get that, I would do exactly what I just did. I would reload them, reperiod them for a bit, for a day. Reset.
got too many indicators.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, stochastic. I think some of the stochastics use the ADX.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Did you? I don't know.
Yeah, I said fast. I said fastocastic.
Nice bullish momentum.
Yep.
Nice reversal pattern on the 5 minute. So do we start looking for buys? Do we look for a drop back down? Just say 25, 135-ish. In 5 minutes up here.
My beard's getting really long. It's time for an emergency shave.
Yeah, they're long. Watch out, you let it grow a little bit longer, your wife might start liking it. Then she won't never want you to shave it.
People might start tripping on it. any longer.
That would be our, based on that would have been our long, but it just blew right through it, didn't it?
Oh shit. Oh well, we missed the short with the strategy. See, I'm mismanaging it today. I'm having problems. See how life gets in the way of your results? That was a completely missed trade. You know, people say, look what the testing shows. Yeah, well, you're not gonna reach those numbers, because at one point your ADX is gonna screw up and you're gonna change the periods, and then you're gonna miss that winning trade. You never miss the losers. Somehow you always miss the winners. It's magic. $30, $33. I'm in good. Let me get down to 22. Oh, you bugger.
Lewis, that's so true. Never miss the losers. Yeah, it seems that way, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then when you try to miss the losers, you miss the winner. Like, I'm not going to take this one. This one's definitely going to lose, right? And then it wins. And then you mess up your percentage anyways.
Darius, how's the morning? Well, my bot's getting wrecked. I'm hoping it'll make it back up, but for now it's...
I'd like to see this push. What do you guys think?
For now it's suffering.
That was terrible entry. Terrible.
But my PA and my master accounts are doing well so far.
Yeah, that was terrible entry.
Knock on plastic.
Pressed it down there. Feel like a 5-6 point slippage.
Trying to make target individually on 5 accounts.
Mm-hmm.
It's not easy. That's $750 trading small size.
Mikey wrecked.
I'm up for the
Who's
channel.
wrecked? Mikey?
Anyone catch the opening range short? No, we're sleeping on the opening range today.
Didn't even look at that, did we?
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Arius, why didn't you scream that out, man?
He did, just in another room.
Actually,
Darius, what room are you hanging out on? Maybe we'll join it for the opening range trade.
I was stuck in a long there, so it wouldn't have mattered anyways. That was a nice short right there. That perfect retest of the open range. And it had the VWAP there too, and the moving average bands. That was a strong retest there. Beautiful, so beautiful. Love to see it.
So beautiful. Okay, I'm applying the big move. It's too bad I didn't apply it for the short, but I applied it now for the long. We're in a decent area.
Take a break, go refill my drink. I'm not back in 2 minutes. You know what to do?
I would run too, but gotta keep chugging along. See if we can get another entry. Hard to get good prices on the entries. Where's my clicker? My clicker helps. I won't click it, but $65. Something knocked. Oh, there it goes. That's it. That's the big move. It's a separate system. If the one you're watching goes short, we're going to be short a 3 lot. Okay, can we get up to 79, 86? We should be able to get up to 86. $80, $81, $83, $84, $87. There we go. Got it all. Got it all. Long, it adds. But now we're going to be short 1. That short 1 is system number 2. And the other one is long 4. Long 4, short 5. So that equates to short 1. But the system that's short needs to cover 5. That's why you see a 5 lot cover on a 1 lot short. Just so you don't think that the system is screwed up. And if we cross 25,193, we are going to buy a 10 lot, which means we'll be long a 9 lot. With an exit at for a 5 lot. Don't worry, you guys don't need to understand, only I need to understand.
How we looking?
Looking like we're gonna reverse and have a pretty large position to the long side very soon.
We go all the way back up, test the high?
Potentially.
Potentially.
So as I explained, the big move is long 4 and Mufale is long 5. That's a combination of 9. Mufale takes profits. Mufale long 5, so it's got to take profit order in there.
Mufalo. What the hell's a Mufalo? As soon as I get in the motherfucker.
Ah, Fumala. You're right. Sorry. Fumala, not Mufale. What did I call it? I called it Fumala. Fumala. I got it right.
Mufala. Oh,
Hey,
bitches.
you got to name them, okay? You got to name your trades. And the great thing about systems, they can't complain about their name.
Yeah, whatever. Take it. Take all my money. One of those days.
Yeah. Good job.
You say good job. Take all my money. You say good job.
Oh, I heard you say you took back all your money.
Lewis, my trade names are PG rated. I don't know what a Fumala is. I can't say anything about my picture.
I did. I'm looking right at it. It's kind of freaking me out. On one hand, it's cute. On another hand, it looks like this might be the last day I'm alive.
What?
That's a pretty scary face.
It's a skeleton. For sure it's Jack Skeleton.
Oh my God. No, it looks like...
Yeah, it's Jack Skeleton, man.
wow, look how you did that.
I don't know why he's got a red hand, though.
Mm,
What has he been doing?
I don't know.
I got attacked by that girl. No, that's not what I was thinking, Mike. Calm down.
Mike who? Not me. I'm busy. Take a look at my screen.
Welcome, Mr. Knife Art.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
Something you guys get to enjoy in Florida that we don't have. The airplanes with the banners going down the beach.
Y'all don't have that?
No, we don't have a beach. We don't have tourists. Why would we have that?
Well, sometimes they do it, like they'll have Bike Week, and they'll have it flying over Bike Week, or they have car shows, and they have it flying over the car show.
Mm.
Like, it's not just the beach. They do it over everything.
Yeah. We'll get it on a really rare, like once every 3 years, 5 years, we might see something like that. But the thing is, for me, it just, we used to vacation in Florida every year when I was a kid, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 years old. Every year we're in Florida, and you know what? Those things would fly by, and so for me, that's vacation. If I see it, it just reminds me of being on vacation.
And I'm pretty sure y'all do have beaches.
We have lakes that they kind of turned into beaches, but
Now, isn't it the Great Lakes separate Canada from the U.S., right?
yeah,
Y'all have the Great Lakes.
I'm gonna
Plus-
go with yeah.
Your country's kind of surrounded by a beach. You know that, right?
Yeah, well, a person living in South Dakota can't say they have beaches just because the West Coast and the East Coast has an ocean.
I guess.
You have a beach.
We are surrounded by a beach. We are a
You have a
peninsula.
beach.
We drive an hour in any direction and you almost hit a beach.
Whatever state is to the west of you doesn't have a beach.
There ain't no
Or to
state
the
to
north.
the west of us.
Or to the northwest, let's
It's
say.
called the Gulf of America or
Yeah.
Mexico, whichever you want to. I don't really care. I'm not. How big is tourism in Canada? Lewis wants to know.
Nothing special, really.
Mike will have to step out for the day. Luck in battle today. Michael, thanks for hanging out. You're stepping out for the day. See you tomorrow.
Did he type in? Is he in? He's on the list. You got him written down. We won't miss him.
Pretty sure he's typed it in a few times. I don't know, man.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Yeah, he's
it's
typing
on
in.
your- You got to write it down. That way you don't have to remember.
You want too much information. You want to know what time they typed it in. You want to know what kind of face they were making when they typed it in. Michael,
Just want you to
Michael,
type it in.
926. So that counts pre-market. I mean, is it before you're on the mic or before I'm on the mic? I'm pretty sure I showed up around that time. So
Yeah,
I would say that was
I don't know.
pre-market.
we could be lenient with that.
And then Mr. Knife typed it in. I think Lewis was after the market. I don't know. It's too much work, man. Lewis giveaway 922. So Lewis is
No, you
pre-market
just
too.
keep a pad and a paper beside you like I do.
Look, I'm telling you, man, it's Lewis, Michael, and Mr. Knife.
Mr. Knife Art.
Whatever you
Let me
want to call
see.
it, man.
You said Lewis. See, I don't have Michael. Yeah, I don't have Michael. Okay, Michael. He gets 2, right? You said. I think everyone gets 2. Everyone's gonna have 2. I don't think anybody was not 2. No, that's not true. Gilad and Skeletor and Darius came in late, but they're kind of OGs. So
Haven't seen Skeletor much today.
yeah, no, he was there.
He was there earlier.
Yeah,
Skeletor, how'd the day go? You still there?
but just a second, you said Lewis, Michael, and who else?
How is Mikey 5741 doing? Didn't even know that was Mikey. Mikey, how you doing today? Hopefully better than yesterday. I don't know.
Hey, Omnius.
Poorly. He says he's doing poorly.
Poorly. Yeah, I remember last he said, let's talk about that math problem from last night.
On my chart. There's my chart. I was looking for an entry there. Got a nice entry, but waiting to see if the bot was going to take it also. It didn't.
I didn't get the 3 names from you.
What 3 names?
You said Michael, Lewis, and...
Oh my God. You already got the other guy's name. You've been saying it all morning.
I don't
You're
remember.
infatuated with this guy's name. I'm not saying it again.
You're no fun. You're ruining everything.
Did this guy pay you to promote his name?
Did I put a time? Yes, I did.
ERB, let's talk about that math problem from last night.
Yeah.
What's the math problem?
The image, but I don't remember it anymore.
All right, let's talk about it.
We'll
What
talk
you got?
about it. We'll talk about it in the evening when we put up the new one.
We got to talk about the one from last night. ERB, what'd you get? What was the answer?
17. 17, 40, or 44. It was one of those 3 numbers.
What did I put? 42?
It was 17, 40, 44, or 42. One of those numbers.
Skeletor, sorry, I'm here in a call. That's cool, man. Just noticed we haven't seen you much today. Hope all's well.
Wow, we're just coming back up to the Asia low at 274. Yeah, we solve these at night. Give us something to do while the markets are moving slow. Didn't get a lot of right answers. That's how people should get double or triple balls. If they can, wow. Am I reading that right?
Skeletor, again, red day in PA. Eval Green. Skeletor, I'm right there with you, buddy. Got hammered. Morning bot got hammered.
Oh yeah, I'm getting slaughtered too.
I was expecting it though. Been saying it. It was around this time last year. Was having issues. Unfortunately, I don't have that great system that never loses yet. One day I'm gonna figure it out. And if y'all get there before me, share some secrets, man. Come on now.
Fumula version 2. Good morning, fellas. Love to watch on the lunch break.
Sweet. Appreciate
Glad
you
to
coming
have you
by.
Hey, early lunch. 10:56.
Maybe he works out of school. My kids take lunch at 10:30.
Yeah.
When my boy was younger, they get off for like spring break. I don't know if it was spring break or summer. It was one of them. and I was trading on the other side of the house, and he was like all mad. I was like, "Why are you so mad?" He's like, "You won't give me lunch." I'm like, "Dude, it's like 11:30. It's not even lunch yet. Like, chill out." He's like, "Every day you starve me. You won't feed me." Like, what are you talking? I feed you every day at like 12, 1 o'clock. And like, he was like super upset. He was like breaking down. He's like, "We eat lunch at 10:30. Like, well, fuck, kid. How am I supposed to know? Just tell me. So now I know to tell him to take some snacks or something, hold him over. It was funny, but it was not funny, but it was kind of funny. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't want my son starving. But, like, he didn't tell me for days. And then he was, like, so frustrated at the point he told me. It was, like, mad and angry. Every day you're starving me. Yeah, Skeletor, red on the day myself. I have a account with the bot, red. Have another account, green. Evals, green. Could be a better day. I mean, it's fine. Have to reset up some accounts and
35. That sucks.
repeat process. And as I say, what an amazing time to be a trader. We can take our worst days and say, well, that account's blown. Let me grab a new one. Because on a personal account, that experience is different. And everybody that trades personal accounts knows what I'm talking about. You sleep different at night. The notion that you can go spend another $100 and be right back where you're at. What an amazing time to be a trader.
Can we go down to 35, please?
ERB, no, I said 10. And 10 works. What was the 10? Missed what, missed it.
56. 59. See, bad entries.
Oh, the math
you gotta
problem.
be kidding me.
You're saying it's 10? I don't remember which one it was. Mike, put on. You got it? You still got it? Put it on screen. Let's see.
Nope, busy.
Oh, my God. Bot took a trade. I did not take it because it was going into the VWAP. As everybody knows, I do not like to trade in the VWAP. I don't use it as something to trade off of. I use it as something to say, I don't like trading in the VWAP. Don't like trading in the VWAP. Don't like trading into the 5-minute moving average. Some of the other things, but I think those are the two big ones. Oh, and the Globex Open. Don't like trading in the VWAP, Globex Open, or the 5-minute moving average. You may find if you put those on your chart, how many of your losing trades are actually trading into them. There's your consequent encroachment for the day.
Man, that doesn't make sense.
What?
35, I need 28. The numbers aren't making sense on my screen. Well, I'm getting these horrific fills.
Is the 2 coming before the 1?
No, I was trading around the 35 level, the 235. 240, and I was trying to get entries over 240, 241, 243, but somehow my price kept showing 235. I'm wondering if the data on my screen is not in sync with the actual real data, but I'm looking at the Top Step X and the numbers are the same. Right now we're at 04, 05, you know, in that area.
Mm-hmm. Did you put a lag indicator on your chart?
No.
You telling me the guy that wanted it so much, I finally do all that work to give it to you. Yeah. You guys see what I got there?
10 works. Now I'm looking at ERB's message. 10 works for the, you know, ERB, we're just screwing with you, eh? When we just throw these random numbers out there. Now you know our secret.
You know, the funny part is I don't even look at the problems. I just throw out a random number. I set mine where it cycles through the math memes and everybody's putting different numbers and arguing over why they're wrong.
Numerically, everything looks right on the chart, on the 1000 volume chart. And yet it doesn't make sense. I'm looking, how is it possible that I'm down like that? It really doesn't make sense.
Got a nice reversal pattern coming off of the moving averages.
Other than Bullinox and Apex, who do we have codes for that are good companies?
Bullinox, Apex, day traders.
Yeah, I was going to say daytraders.com because you only have to pay for the eval one time.
Also, good.
Oh, I was going to say, I do like Taurus Arena. I traded with Taurus Arena. I have codes for Trade Day and another one, My Funded Network or something, or My Funded Futures Network or Funded Futures Network.
Funded Futures Network and Trade Day.
Yeah, but I don't know about those firms. I couldn't say anything about them.
I don't know as much about them, but Funded Futures Network still has their sale going. 50% discount, plus BOGO, plus no activation fee. I think it's like $75. You get 2 accounts, no activation fee. I mean, that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. What do you mean you only pay the eval one time on day traders? You only pay the eval fee that you don't get rebilled monthly. Mm-hmm. If it takes you 6 months, you only pay once. If it takes you 8 months, you only pay once.
Well, I do have to throw in that disclaimer. Remember I told you that they kind of lie on that? They're kind of sneaky. Because after 10 years...
Remind me?
Yeah, after 10 years, you have to pay a penny.
Yeah.
You guys know much about Lucid? I know a bunch of people have been talking about Lucid.
But I want to do a podcast on them, and I want to look at them.
Yeah, and since we want to talk about Lucid, And we keep seeing a bunch of people talking about Lucid. What is it about Lucid you guys like? Do they have really good advertisement or what? Let me look up Lucid. Lucid. Do I got them on my list? They're not even on my list. No. Not even on my list. Right, let's put them on the list. I've seen several people saying Lucid. Anybody got any things they would like to say why they like Lucid? To be fair, we don't really care. We just try to promote the ones that we think people will like. Working with different companies. Lucid Motors. No, Lucid Trade, man. Come on. I forgot there was Lucid Motors. I think I bought their stock a long time ago and it crashed.
But check out Taurus Arena.
Sorry, you have been blocked. What?
If you enter in 3 accounts, it's $22 an account, and they have that competition thing going, which is fun. You can earn Taurus dollars and use them for future purchases. So you can start getting accounts for free. Basically, if you can, they look at your results every day on the eval, put it up on the leaderboard, and they give, kind of like coin prizes to the leaders.
I gotta look up Lucid Trading, and it says you have been blocked.
That's weird.
How was I blocked?
Nah, that's an error.
That's funny. Is it like
That's an error.
Hey, that's the wrong site or something. Is this Lucid Trading? Oh, it's the right site. Weird. Try to refresh, try again. Yeah, that's the right site, Lucid Trading. Okay, I gotta verify I'm human. I don't know, I mean, it could be true, it could be false. Now the site won't load. Well, guys, my experience so far with Lucid has not been that great. Are we for real? This is the real site, or am I being pranked here? Mike, you look them up.
No, I'm busy.
Okay, wait, I'm finally on the site. Hope that's just a glitch. Now I can't load anything. Yeah, first I've been blocked, then took forever to even get on the site, and now I can't even do anything on the site. Take a look. We got 50K eval, $112. Wow, that's after the discount. Wow.
What's the deal there? Is that no activation?
It was a one-time payment.
That's very high.
Okay, so I guess it's a one-time payment and no activation.
Oh, that's cool. You know what? I remember now seeing other people's ads and stuff. There's something called Lucid Flex. They have different kinds of plans. I mean,
okay, I guess that was
different plans, but
I guess that was the Lucid Pro. The Lucid Flex, 50K eval, $91, one-time payment. That's after the discount. No activation fee. Profit target 3,000, max loss 2,000. Is that end of day drawdown? So that's about normal. Consistency 50%. I like that. Max size 4 minis. So I don't understand why anybody needs 10 minis. I don't.
So is that the deal? One-time fee, not a monthly fee, and it's no activation.
That's what it says.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool because that beats top take profit trader, where you pay every month and you have that stress. You know, oh my God, my $195 is coming due. That's why I think the small, you know what, it's better to go in small in the beginning. It's not smart to go. It's not mathematically correct, I don't believe, to go in heavy, to go in top heavy.
Yeah. I think if you're going with companies like these, I do think they're great. I think people need to kind of understand where they're at with their trading. If you're going in with $100 accounts, I think you need to be at a spot where you're consistently passing accounts.
Yeah, like maybe 80%. We're going to have to do a little podcast on that and go over the numbers, run the math. I'm going to pass it through GPT and see what we pull out, and we're going to do a little podcast on that.
I know a lot of other influencers are pushing these $100+ accounts. I mean, you got to do what's best for you. Not here for any kind of financial advice. But if you've never passed an account, why are you paying $100+ for accounts? Now, on the same note, if you're passing accounts, $91 one-time payment, you take it slow, maybe you take a month or two, you don't have to worry about it. That's great. No activation fee. That's great. To think that you can be funded and be making money for $91, that's freaking awesome. 50% consistency rule, definitely like that. End of day drawdown, definitely like that. So, I mean, everything looks cool. But if you've never passed an eval, I don't think that's the route to go.
Because it's all I knew of. Yeah, that's the problem also sometimes. There's so many firms. It's just so hard to keep. Not only you got to keep on top of all of them, you also got to find the ones that the rules work for you, like MFFU. Doesn't work for me, doesn't work for Omnius because they have a 15-second rule. You have to hold your trades for 15 seconds. Can you imagine you're 20 points in profit at 7 seconds and you got to count to 8 while it comes back on you? So it's a lot of work to familiarize yourself with all the rules. And
says they have no consistency in funding and funded. That's even better. I mean, you got 50% for the eval and none for the funded.
yeah, I'm seeing that a little more now. There's no consistency, but there's a loophole.
Then they have
They're still catching you with the lasso somehow, some way. I don't remember what it is.
you have the 50K black eval, one-time payment,
funny, but
126. That's after the discount. So 50K, 126, one-time payment. You can get resets for 115. I guess if you go and you blow the account, you can reset it for 115. I think that's a pretty good deal. You get a 3K drawdown. No, you have to make 3K profit. You have 2K drawdown end of day. So that's fair. That's decent. A 60% consistency rule. No activation fee, real-time dashboard, bonus payouts, whatever that means. So I think both of those are great. Maybe we'll look into this company some more.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Only criticism is that the majority of people aren't consistently passing evals. And by consistently, I don't mean that you never fail one. But, you know, like, what's your percentage? If you buy 10, how many are you passing? Passing 5? You passing 4? You know, are you not passing any? If you're not,
Poor Mikey.
Mikey,
We got to find a way to help Mikey without
Mikey,
directly helping Mikey.
Let's pause the operation real quick and let's be honest with you, okay? You should not be paying $100 evals if you haven't passed. Go get Apex or Bullinox or something like that. Hopefully find them on a decent deal where you can get them for like $17. Imagine this, right? How many $17 can we fit into 100? How many evals you got right now? 1? God, what if it's 200 or 300? So almost 6. You could be trading almost 6 evals for the price of that 1. Okay, so you have 1. So you could be trading 6 evals with Bullinox. Okay. You start the day off, you have 1, you take a trade. Whether the trade wins or loses, you move to the next one, right? You take that trade, you win or lose, you move to the next one, right? So every day you're taking 1 or 2 trades across 6 evals. I mean, take you a while to pass, but or if you want to be more aggressive, you know, trade larger size, you know.
And the good thing about having multiple evals is you take a loss, change accounts.
Yeah. Instead of
Just
everything being on one account.
Go to your next trade. Listen how that puts the odds in your favor. You go to the next account. If you win, trade it again. You win, trade it again. So you're going to take advantage. Your accounts take advantage of winning streaks, but the losing streaks get cut at the knees, get kneecapped.
Lewis, I got the 50K Flex account down to $65. You saying that's what you got it for? So I'm assuming they had a better sell at the time. Yeah, a lot of these companies, it really depends on what the current sell is. They're so competitive now. It's an amazing time to be a trader. So competitive. So it really comes down to now, like who's having the sale. I mean, if you can get a Flex account for $65, one-time payment, no activation fee. Damn, Mike, come on, man.
Come on, man.
No, right now, use code BDM. Who the hell is BDM? All right, let's try it. I don't even see where to enter a code. For the best deal, this one says for the best deal, use that. Where do I go? Click platform. Press me. Oh, what the hell? All right, the company seems all right. Their website sucks and don't work. Let's click on this one. It won't let me do nothing. The alert did not work. What do I gotta do? Lewis, how do I go from the first page to the second? Start trading, pick your path, but I'm not supposed to do it down here. Select platform. Ninja Trader. Come on, you can do it. You got faith. Okay, now what? What does that do? Did nothing. I need somebody to walk me through. Let's go back up here. Start trading. It takes me down here. Can't go nowhere. Yeah, it's asking what broker I click on it, and then it finally does it or something, but then it don't go anywhere. It just, I try to reset the reload. Weird. Did you reload or not? I don't even think it's reloading. Try again. Ninja Trader. Loading part. Do it. Got faith. Come on, man. Now what? Nothing. Go back to 50K flex. Okay. Click with coupon at checkout. I don't see that. I'll put this over here. Is there? Come on. All right. See, Lucid Flex 50K. What if I click on this? Nothing. So for best deal, that code, whatever, copy, don't copy. Don't see with coupon at checkout. I was trying select platform. This. Nothing. Don't see anything else. Get started. Now what happened? Oh god, I got like 10 of them in the cart. Oh my fucking goodness.
Guys, don't ever call Omnius over to your house to fix your computers. That's all I'm saying.
How I get them out of the cart?
You pay for them?
I don't understand how companies like
you.
this, they don't, like, how much do you have to pay somebody to make you a website? Can't be that difficult.
If you pay for them, they'll go out of your cart. I promise you. Test it out. Test out my theory. We're slowly chugging higher, but volume 1.3 million, average range on the 1 minute candles 18.
Code Omnius for Lucid. Skeletor, I don't have a code for Lucid right now.
Boom, 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 boom.
I tried the BDM, didn't change it, I guess. When I was trying to do something, I don't know this. It won't do anything. I need like a stick. I gotta poke it. Come on, man.
I gotta poke it.
I wonder how many customers they lose just because of the website.
I go with none.
I mean, if that's a company that y'all like and if people want, I can ask them. No guarantee that they'll do it. Oh yeah,
Do
you're
what?
right. $65. That's cool.
If you go get a Lucid code, ask them for one for me too.
So who's BDM?
What's Patrick Wieland? BDH. No? Yes?
I think so. I don't know.
Who's BDM? I don't know. Ah, Big Daddy Max.
Oh, okay. No wonder. Okay. So another big streamer. Yeah, Big Daddy Max. Oh, and he had Lucid at his event, didn't he? So he's probably got a special deal with Lucid. Sometimes him and Patrick and Trades by Matt, they're so big they can get special deals. So I don't even know if we could even get that code. That's probably special for him. The one on the site definitely didn't have that. He had everyone at the event. I seen parts of it. I didn't really watch the whole thing. I seen Apex. I think I seen Lucid. I seen one with trades by Matt, and he said something about his platform or something. Was it Tradester? Does anybody, did he ever come out with it? Been talking about it forever. Now you can use the code. What do you mean, Lewis? Yeah, I don't have a code with Lucid. Mike, I don't think you do either, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, certainly if anybody wants to get Lucid, you want to try it out. Lewis, appreciate you letting us know how to get that discount on it. So $65. I would assume that that's still the one-time fee with no activation. I mean, that's awesome. He will get credit for you using it. Right. Big Daddy Max. I mean, let's be honest. He don't need any credit from us. He makes a lot of money from affiliates and props and selling course and Discord and all that stuff.
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, that guy's, he's rolling in money. I don't know how much is from the trading, but from the props, the YouTube, the Discord, the course, he's got his hands on a bunch of stuff. He's rolling in money.
And Omnius promises you that if ever he's rolling in money, he's going to make a video of it, of him rolling in the money.
You see me rolling in money, it's probably an AI video. But who knows, right? Max started what, like 8 years ago or something? Who knows what 8 years from now could bring us? So, hope for the best.
In his underwear and his socks.
If 8 years from now I don't make a video of me rolling in money in my underwear and socks, then say la vie, right?
Yeah. At least you had fun trying.
Total transparency. I don't use props and just follow him. Give out his code. I get nothing. Oh, that's cool. I mean, look, I want everybody to have the best options at the cheapest price. Like I said, maybe if we had a Lucid code, be like, oh, come on, man, support this show. But we don't have Lucid codes, and if somebody wants to try Lucid, I have no problem with anybody using whatever code works best for you. I mean, if you want to support the stream and you want to go with one of the firms that we work with, then appreciate everyone supporting the stream. I mean, we don't get much. Like I said, I'm probably the lowest paid streamer on YouTube, especially in trading. But that's fine. I mean, I think the Lucid deal is a good deal. $65 one time. So if anybody's looking for that code, you can use that one.
Squeezing my butt cheeks.
Why?
I want to reach my target on this account, and it's proving to be very hard, and I just had it. And by the time I clicked buy the bid, it slipped out of my butt cheeks. Go, just dump like fucking 5 points and we're done for the day and we can play games. Come on, everyone wants to play games.
But I will say, also with the funded futures,
there we go,
which is similar. For $75, you get 2 accounts.
Yeah, but you pay monthly, no?
Oh, yeah, okay.
And what do you pay the second time around? We don't even know.
Well, it says per month. That's not a one-time thing. It's per month.
Cancel orders, positions. I'm a fan of pay just once. I like that. Okay, this day is ending down $2,325. I'm sorry. It's not my fault.
Yeah, Skeletor, I think Lucid was end of day. Yep. I can't go back to look. Terrible. I mean, the site looks great. I don't know why they're having so many problems. I think it was end of day.
I did my best, guys. I wiggled, I waggled. Couldn't make it work today.
I believe the funded futures is end of day also. So everything is really quite similar between the two. I guess the Lucid is one-time payment. The funded futures, you can get 2 accounts, no activation for $75. It's their current sale, so. Whatever you like. All right, back to what we were doing. What, 11:30?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those big guys, they don't need what little bit they get from us, but sometimes they do get better deals because of how huge their following is. And of course, man, if y'all can get something a much better deal, do it. Like I said, we don't even have a code for that, so no big deal. Take profit trader and trade day is end of day and eval, but in funded is trailing. Where's day trade day? There we go. I don't think we've looked into take profit trader. Mike, is that the one that's got the 15-second rule?
TPT, no, it's MFFU. One of them also has a 1 or 2 second rule, even worse.
One of them's got that 1 minute rule now.
All I can do is laugh at that.
Personally, guys, I try to stay away from the ones with the time rules because, as y'all know, most of my trades don't last very long. So to me, that's kind of a deal breaker. I know a lot of people like, was it My Funded Futures?
Mm-hmm.
But to even be told that you can't go to break even, I mean, I don't know, man. But as always, if y'all like firms that we're not currently working with, let us know. And if a few people want a firm that we're not currently working with, we'll certainly reach out to them. Yeah, Lewis, that's what I told him. I'm not a swing trader. And to be told you can't even go to break even?
Oh, yeah, there was that too.
Yeah, I think that was My Funded Futures.
Okay, so we'll do, what did I say we'll do? Lucid and My Funded Futures. We'll get that on the...
Skeletor, I was trying to look at the trade day. At least their site loads. I'm not really seeing where it says the eval versus the funded. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong spot. What do they got? They have 87 per month. Not really giving a lot of details. What's the activation? Okay, there's end of day. Well, they really jack up that price for the end of day, don't they? Like it goes from 87 to 122 for end of day.
Well, changes the odds, eh?
Yeah, but in Taurus Arena, you can pay like $9. I don't see I don't see the information on eval versus funded. Maybe I'm just not found it yet. Add more rules to have less payouts, more resets, of course. We have to remember that they're a business also. And we have to we have to look at these props as a tool. How can we use the tool to benefit us? So of course the props want to make money. How they make money? They make money by people buying evals or buying funded accounts, failing. Also, I firmly believe that they make money selling your data. Even Top Steps talked about this many times. They even show it on screen. So, fully believe they all do that. A lot of money in data. So, like I said, we have to look at them as a tool, and how can we use that tool to our advantage? And once again, I'll say it again. What an amazing time to be a trader. You can take $100 and get a prop account, and if you blow it, so what? You blew $100. Versus if you want to open an AMP account, you might take $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, put it in that account, and then you blow that account. Then what? You got to talk to your wife and talk to your finance people, and well, shit, I just lost $10,000. You know, how do you explain that to somebody? Skeletor, WTF? We trade futures
with tears.
Right. So then you go into your wife, you're crying and everything. Oh, I just lost our savings. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not talking bad about personal accounts. I have one. Right. I've had a personal account longer than I've had props. I didn't trade props for a long time. Back when I first started trading, it was really just Top Step, and it was like really expensive. You had a 2-step process. Now we have 1-step processes. Used to be you had 2. You had to do 2 evals. It was really expensive. I was like, why the hell would I do that? Well, I just take the money, put it into a personal account. And they're done that. I had to go back to work for 5 years. Right, Lewis. Several of us would have been there, done that. I mean, I didn't lose 10 grand, but, you know, there's been a few times I had to quit trading and go back.
What are you laughing at, Haroon? Haroon, type in giveaway. We'll get you in the game. We're going to be playing it soon.
The hardest part about trading is to be consistent over long periods of time, because the market's constantly changing. So I think you can't copy people's trades. You can't buy a bot that's going to make you money because the market changes too much. You have to have that experience, that time in the market to say, hey, so November through January is different than February through March and April, and that's different than April through something else, you know? Election year is different than non-election year.
Omnius.
Okay.
Omnius. No, I have something to tell you.
I know what you're saying.
No. I would like to tell you that I'm never going to your son's or daughter's wedding because you can give really long speeches.
I gave us.
Or I'll find a reason to start smoking so I can go out while you're giving a speech. While you're giving the speech, the father of the bride speech.
I gave a speech at a wedding a few years ago.
No way, really?
Yeah. It was crazy. Everyone's like, you get that guy to give a speech? He don't even talk.
Do we have it on film?
I don't think anybody got it.
Come on, in the age of cell phones?
No, the bride was so mad. She's like, nobody got his speech. Like, nobody thought I was going to talk. I told you I don't talk to people. All I said was amazing. Don't tell anybody, but I had GPT help me on the speech.
Who doesn't? Everybody does now. So, Haroon, you don't want to be in the game? You're gone? It's just going to be Mr. Knife all on his own. Mr. Knife Art. Let me close this here.
I was like, GPT.
Yes.
I was like, GPT, help. I'm best man at a wedding. I got to give a speech. Help.
Yay. Okay, Miss K. Miss K says yay. When Miss K says yay, that means start the game.
What?
Start the game. The
right,
game.
Tell us what you're doing, Mr. Taurus Arena. While you're doing, I'll be back in a minute.
You do this to me every time.
Starting to think it's on purpose.
What are we doing? We're playing Lead the Field. Brought to you by, sponsored by Taurus Arena. TaurusArena.com. Go check out their website. Their platform is Volumetrica. A lot of volume-based indicators over there. Volume profile, order flow, if I'm not mistaken, VWAP. It's a web-based or a desktop version. You can have either or. Currently, their sales, what do they have? They have 3 accounts, $22 per account if you get 3 accounts or more for the account with the activation. The no activation account is $77 if I'm not mistaken. And last but not least, 40% off on the no activation accounts, which is basically in line with what everybody's offering now with the 40% off. But they have a competition going on now every day. So while you're trading your eval or your sim funded account, your points, your score, your profit gets put into the competition automatically, and you can win Taurus dollars if you have first, second, or third place. I think first place is $25, and that's it. We're waiting on Omnius. We'll start the action. Who do we got in today's games? We got some new players again. Let's roll it up. You guys tell me if I'm missing anybody. Mr. Knife Art, ERB, Ethan, Team Massive, Ms. K, Don, WK2VY, Lewis, Mikey, Michael, Gilad, and Luo. Tag team, Skeletor, Darius, and Bangs. If I've missed you and you're here, let me know. Haroon. Same here, but we trade futures. Yeah, that's like when I used to lose in poker. I used to say, that's poker. I had really bad luck in poker.
Hey, while I was gone, and you was talking about who knows what, I was thinking, remember, it wasn't that long ago, I didn't even work with Apex. And everyone was like, why don't you work with Apex, man? Come on. So I did. I'd boycott them for a while.
Yeah. That's annoying.
What?
That I have to move my camera every time when I share the screen like that, because it moves me. It doesn't move you, but it moves me. It's okay. It won't take long.
Okay, I turned your camera off anyways. Does it make you mad I turned your camera off?
No. Should make 2 cameras. One pre-game, one post-game.
Sounds too much like work.
Oh, yeah, OBS is a lot of work. Okay, good enough. It's opened for you there in Discord, Omnius. I don't know if I heard you.
Yep, I'm there.
Yeah. Okay. There's
I'm on
the
it, man.
players. It says warm up. It's not a warm up. It's a qualifier. Where's the qualifier? Qualifier. There we go. And on the little board, there we go.
You get everybody for the.
We're all ready. Yeah. Well, I read them all. If anybody, like I said, if anybody says, "Hey, what about me?" You know.
Well, I was asking about the people who put in pre-market.
Yeah, I got them all. I got them all. I'm curious to see. You know what I'm curious to see? I'm curious to see the single balls if they can compete. But you know what? I think they can. It's the same thing. Because you never know which ball's going to win. We got Gilad, Skelly, Darius, and Bangs. So let's see how they do. We'll do a burst.
What are they?
Single balls. After the factors.
Kelly, you didn't put in pre-market?
Did he?
He was probably busy. I guess not. If you say he didn't. I didn't see him on my side. I guess.
I don't know.
He was probably busy.
I do my best.
You do a great job.
Thank you.
Everybody type in the chat. Mike, you do a great job.
Everybody give me a hand. We're ready to go.
Hold on. Typing in the chat.
This game is dedicated to Mr. Knife Art. I wish you all the best, Mr. Knife Art. There
Mike, you do a great job. Good job.
You ready to go?
I'm looking for a one finger salute also.
Yeah.
You think they'd make that, like, don't more people use that? Like that should be easier to find.
You're going to get our channel demonetized.
Oh, yeah. Since they stole 4,000 hours from me anyways.
Unmonetized. What's the word? Remonetized.
I'm going to start streaming on Facebook or something. Maybe they're nicer.
It's 11:50.
Oh.
People got to go to lunch. Burst. A bunch of you into the pit already. ERB, Skeletor. Yeah, see, Skelly's doing good with 23. It's 13 points if you go in the pit. So if you're down by 13, don't worry about it.
Are you ready to take profit?
Yeah, I play with it.
Wonder if you can set a random take profit. Like a range.
Yeah, each time a little bit different. Yeah, that would be interesting. I'm sure you can, but you know what? Already my CPU is overtaxed. If it had to calculate a random number every time a ball goes in the pit. Mr. Knife Art, you're in 4th place with 62 points. Miss K, 72, and ERB leading with 78. Who's taking the lead here? Mikey's taking the lead with a 95. Don Whiskey trying to catch up. Oh, there's a minute left to go. Mikey is expanding his lead to 131. Which Mikey is that? That's Mikey without the single ball.
Get it, Mikey. Let's go. This case coming for you, Mikey. Uh-oh.
Oh, Don Whiskey's taking the lead. Mikey, you went into the stop-out pit. You went lower to 128. Miss K, 137. Mikey, you've taken a pointer there. I just saw it. Michael, Bangs. Miss K2, Ethan, Michael. Team Massive and Miss K tied at 150. Team Massive gets another point. Another dunk. 163. ERB. Mr. Knife Art bouncing off the stop out pit. Mr. Knife Art 2 right in. Ethan, you can catch up. Team Massive.
Where'd he come from?
170. He's been in the lead for quite a while.
I was looking at Miss K. He was there, and Mikey. Got a new one jumping in. Lewis got lazy balls. Oh, man, these damn lazy balls. Lewis, people still use Facebook? No Facebook, Lewis? Look, for the guys that do have a Facebook, go look me up. I'm on there. What is it, Mike? Omnius Futures?
Yeah.
I post trading stuff every day. What else y'all use? Those, if you don't use Facebook, what else you use? Don't say Instagram. Don't say Instagram. I never got Instagram.
Let's change the points.
MySpace. Now we're talking. Some of these guys don't know about no MySpace. Mike, you know anything about MySpace?
No.
Golly.
4 points in the pit. 3 points in the stop out pit. So now it's a huge difference. If you stop out, it can really change your position.
I remember Facebook came out and nobody liked it.
4 points in the take profit pit, 3 points in the stop out pit. If you stop out, it can really change your position. Sounds like I said that already. You ready to go?
I'm not talking. I'm not talking, Craig.
Fire. Fire. Yeah, let's go with a fire. I think we're going to have a lot of negative scores here.
What do you mean MySpace didn't last long? MySpace was around forever.
Yeah, I don't know. It sounds like something my brother was using when he was 16 years old.
MySpace, you could set up your own profiles and background pictures, have music, have videos, all kinds of stuff. Thousands of sites evolved around MySpace.
Mr. Knife Art, -3. Knife Art, +4. Ethan, 24. Don, 24. Who won already? Oh, Team Massive won one. Don, 24. Mikey stopped out. Mr. Knife Art, 22. Trying to make a comeback. Don, 2 goes down. Mr. Knife Art, you're in second place. No longer. Bangs coming up the leaderboard in second place. Mr. Knife Art replacing him. 27-34. As long as Ethan doesn't go in the pit, you guys can catch up. You can take over. Mr. Knife Art is taking over. He's in first place. And Mr. Knife Art 1 is catching up. Michael, Mikey, where are the M's? Mikey 2. Mikey 2, you're not far away with 34. And where are you, Mikey 2?
Mike, what's that name at number 1?
Mr. Knife Art.
ERB at number 2.
He's got 16 seconds to hold the lead, and it looks like he's going to. Yep, ERB in number 2, unless he stops out a couple of times.
Ooh, there's a couple guys. Michael?
4, 3.
There's like 5 of them at number 2.
No, he's taking it.
Oh, sweet, good job.
Taking it. I like this points system. Would I make it 4? Let's try 7. Let's make one more change for the last game. Points per take profit. Let's bring it to 7. Apply and burst. Let's get it going. Whoa, that was a whole bunch of people getting points. Skeletor off to a very fast lead. Gilad, Darius. Gilad, 15, slowly drifting into the pit if nobody gives him a bump. No, he gets a bump and he goes off to the right side. Darius with 32. Skelly with 32. ERB just got a couple of really nice shots into the pit I just saw. Bangs. Michael, Mr. Knife Art, ERB, Miss K. ERB again. ERB, yeah, you got to be leading, I was saying. You're really finding your way into there. ERB's floating in the middle. Looks like he might get a little bit of deflection.
ERB at
And
56.
The ERBs go.
53. Darius at 47. There was another ERB coming up.
Yeah.
Skeletor
And
rising. Skeletor number 3. Where's Miss K at? Miss K number 7. Where's Lewis? Lewis number 10. 35 seconds. Got to cheer your balls. So let's go left nut. Let's go right nut.
3R. What's the 3R there? Liquidity Raider 3R Darius. There you are, Darius. 61. Will you be able to hold it? Miss K is making a strong run for it. Miss K. Oh, you were floating into the pit there, Miss K.
Miss K,
You do have
can you
the
hold
lead.
it?
You do have the lead.
6 more seconds.
Someone stopped out a
3,
few times.
2,
Ah!
1. Oh, last
We
second.
got
Oh,
We
was there
got
overtime?
overtime.
Oh, wow.
There's overtime.
Miss K, you still there? We got 5, 4, 3,
Both the leaders stopped
2.
out.
1.
Second overtime period. They're both leading at 72.
Miss K still fighting.
Yeah, Miss K
Miss
takes
K.
it.
10, 9,
83.
5, 4,
Oh, Miss K.
3,
You just got
2.
a beauty bounce.
1.
You just got a beauty bounce. Not only that, did she get a phenomenal push into the pit? Look, she was going right into it right there. She was.
Oh,
next
she's
back
trying
into the
for
pit.
again, huh? Mikey was number 3. Mikey, you getting better, man?
Yeah, Mikey bangs. Miss K, Lee, Darius, Ethan, Lewis. Who was number 9? Mr. Knife. Okay, let's write that down. We're done. Hey, Mr. Knife won. I forgot already. Let's write that down. Miss K.
That was a good game with the overtime. Yellow Toy, appreciate you. See you later. See you tomorrow.
Okay, Skelly. Well, we'll put you in. Let's run one bonus round for whoever's around. Guys, just type hello. Just type hello. Just type anything in the chat so I know you're still here. And we'll run a game just for you guys who are still here. Maybe even 2.
Lewis, keep singing. I'm moving up. Who was singing? You were
One
singing a
ball
song?
each. So who's here? Okay, Skelly's here. Miss K is here. Mikey.
Skeletor said he's leaving. I don't know. Put him in anyways.
Yeah, but he's here. He's here. Skelly.
Oh, I was singing? What the hell was I singing? Oh, flag. I have to re-roll the tape.
Skelly. Miss K. Mikey. Who else we got? Skeletor. Ooh. La la la. Miss K. Skelly. Miss K. Skelly. Miss K. Mikey. We got Mikey. Skelly. Later Skeletor. Miss K. Mikey. And Skeletor. Yeah, I'm hungry too. Okay, so for only the 3 of them, what do we got on your side of the screen? Lewis. Lewis is here.
Lewis, we got Skeletor. Got Lewis, Skeletor. Michael was there, but he ain't been there for a while.
Okay, I'll give it another few seconds.
Michael, you still there?
Okay, we got a game going for 4 people. Control, copy. But 4 balls is not enough. It'll be boring. So we're going to double up 8.
Miss K, what's for
12.
lunch?
16.
Hungry too. Everybody's hungry. Skeletor's hungry. K's hungry. I'm hungry. Mike's hungry. What's for lunch, guys?
Cottage cheese.
Mike, we're all coming over to your house.
Yeah, bring a container of cottage cheese.
Oh, hell no. We're not coming for cottage cheese, man. We're either doing pizza or Big Macs. French fries from under the seat. Man, them French
Lucky
fries under the
JC.
seat, they last forever, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Save and apply. You all have 4 balls. Lewis, Mikey, Miss K, and Skelly. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the games. And
What
Lewis,
about
you're there?
What about JC? She's there. Does she get a ball?
Yeah, we'll give her 1 ball just for fun, but she can't win. Let's see how she does. Apparently, she thinks she's lucky.
There you go.
JC.
JC, we're going to get you in the game.
Save and apply. 17 players. Burst. That's it. Who takes the early lead? Lucky JC takes the early lead, but Lewis takes it back.
Miss K. Got the ladies at the top. Who we got? Lewis.
I
35.
just saw a ton of Skellies make it into the pit. Lewis, Lucky JC, Skelly 4, Mikey, Lewis, Skelly. Yeah, Lewis has a good lead there. I'm seeing a lot of Lewis's going into the pit.
How many balls
It's
everybody
Lewis.
got?
4, except for Lucky JC has 1. Skelly's making a run for it. As long as if Lewis makes it into the stop-out pit a few more times, he can extend his lead. Do you go into the pit? Do you go into the stop-out? Stop out, take profit. Pick one.
We got Lewis, Mikey, Skelly, Mikey, Skelly. Miss K, what happened?
Got tired. It takes a lot of energy.
Where's Lucky JC?
She just went in the pit.
Number 8.
29. Number 8. Lewis is holding a good lead. Skelly, you have a chance. Skelly 3 has a good chance. There's 30 seconds. Where is Skelly 3? I don't see him. Ball's moving too fast.
Miss K digging for lunch.
Lewis 3 goes in the pit again. I think that pretty much seals it for Lewis 3. Just went in the pit again. Got a nice deflection. Oh, Lewis 3 just stopped out.
Miss K, you might even find like a
chance.
Chicken nugget or something under there.
Skelly, 5 seconds. Someone can take this. Mikey takes the lead.
Mikey at the last second by 4 points. Oh, man. The thing about this game is you're there until the last second.
Okay, that was fun. I'm out of breath. Wrap it up, Omnius.
Mikey, you won one. Mikey.
Yeah.
You won. Might be the turnaround. Just saying. All right, guys. Good job to everyone that won the qualifiers. Keyboard won't work. Never know how to work things.
Thanks again to Taurus Arena for sponsoring it. The prize is a $50K Prime account. Again, you can get 3 of those, $22 each, if you enter in quantity 3 or greater. And they have that competition going where you can earn Taurus coins and use that for future purchases. First prize is $25 each day.
Guys, appreciate everyone. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Peace out, traders. Have a good afternoon. Lewis, you have a good afternoon too. Appreciate everyone. Hope everyone enjoys the rest of your day. And see everybody tomorrow morning. If y'all happen to see the stream later tonight, we'll probably be in the chat for a little bit. Hang out, chat with us a little bit. And see everybody tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Take care, guys.
The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances.